Hey folks, I'm Alex from Metabase, and today I want to show you how to highlight just a single bar on your bar chart, like what you see on the screen. This can be useful when you want to draw the audience's attention to a specific part of your chart. For example, here, I immediately look at gizmos. So I'm going to show you how to create this exact chart in Metabase's sample database. This is count of products by category with one of the categories highlighted. So I'm going to start a new question, and I'm going to use the products table from the sample database. And first, I'm just going to do count by category. If I click visualize, Metabase will create a bar chart for me, but all the bars are the same color. If I go to the results tab for this question, I see that I have the category column, and then I have a single series for count. And the key insight here is that Metabase will use a single color for an entire series. So if you have one series, you will have one color. So if you want to have multiple colors on your chart, you need to have multiple series. So what I'm going to do is to create two more series. One that has just the count for my important category, and this will be one color, and another series that has counts for all other categories, which will be another color. So I'm going to go back to the editor and add an aggregation. I'm going to use a custom expression, count if, because I want to count products if the category is equal to whatever I want. So if the category equals to, say, gizmo, and I'm going to call it gizmos. And then I'm going to add another aggregation. Again, count if category is not equal to gizmo. I'm going to call it not gizmos. So if I go back to visualize, I see that now I have a series, gizmos, that has zeros everywhere except for my important category, and another series which has all other counts except for my important category. Stacked together, these two give me the entire count, but I separated those into two series. If I go to Visualization tab, it doesn't look too pretty yet, but I'm going to go to settings and I'm going to remove this count. This is the total count of all categories. I don't want it. I want my count separated into two different pieces. So I'm going to remove the count. And now the chart looks a little closer to what I want. It's still not very pretty. So I'm going to go to display, and instead of don't stack, I will select stack. And now the chart sort of looks like what I wanted. Maybe I'm going to use some kind of light color for my not important category and some different color for my important category. There we are. So I'm using a stacked bar chart with two series, where one of the series just has values for my important category and the other series has values for all other categories.